What's your name?
My name is John.
How old are you?
I am 20.
Where are you from?
I am from New York.
What do you do?
I am a student.
Do you speak English?
Yes, a little.
What is your favorite color?
Blue.
Do you like pizza?
Yes, I like pizza.
What time do you wake up?
I wake up at 7 a.m.
What do you eat for breakfast?
I eat cereal.
Do you like coffee?
Yes, I like coffee.
Do you have brothers or sisters?
Yes, I have one sister.
What is your favorite food?
Hamburgers.
Do you go to school?
Yes, I go to school.
How do you go to school?
I go by bus.
What do you do in the evening?
I watch TV.
What is your favorite hobby?
I like reading.
Do you like music?
Yes, I love music.
What is your favorite song?
Happy by Pharrell.
Do you like sports?
Yes, I like basketball.
Do you play sports?
Yes, I play soccer.
What do you like to do on weekends?
I like to go to the park.
Do you like movies?
Yes, I love movies.
What is your favorite movie?
Finding Nemo.
Do you like animals?
Yes, I like animals.
Do you have a pet?
Yes, I have a dog.
What is your dog's name?
Max.
Do you like reading books?
Yes, I do.
What is your favorite book?
Harry Potter.
Do you like to draw?
Yes, I like drawing.
Do you like traveling?
Yes, I love traveling.
Where do you want to travel?
I want to go to California.
Do you like the beach?
Yes, the beach is fun.
Do you swim?
Yes, I can swim.
Do you ride a bike?
Yes, I ride my bike.
Do you like ice cream?
Yes, I love ice cream.
What is your favorite flavor?
Chocolate.
Do you like to cook?
Yes, I like cooking.
What do you like to cook?
I like pasta.
Do you like fruits?
Yes, I like fruits.
What is your favorite fruit?
Apple.
Do you like vegetables?
Yes, I do.
What is your favorite vegetable?
Carrot.
Do you like the rain?
Yes, I like rain.
Do you like snow?
Yes, I love snow.
Can you drive?
Yes, I can.
Do you like school?
Yes, I like school.
What is your favorite subject?
Math.
Do you like English?
Yes, I like English.
Do you like science?
Yes, it is interesting.
Do you have friends?
Yes, I have many friends.
Who is your best friend?
Sarah.
Do you like reading magazines?
Yes, sometimes.
Do you like cartoons?
Yes, I watch cartoons.
Do you like dogs or cats?
I like dogs.
Do you like winter or summer?
I like summer.
Do you like morning or evening?
I like the morning.
Do you like walking?
Yes, I like walking.
Do you like running?
Yes, sometimes.
Do you like traveling by car?
Yes, I like it.
Do you like the city or the country?
I like the city.
Do you like hot weather?
Yes, sometimes.
Do you like cold weather?
Yes, I like it too.
Do you like reading newspapers?
Yes, sometimes.
Do you like singing?
Yes, I love singing.
Do you play an instrument?
Yes, I play the guitar.
Do you like dancing?
Yes, I like dancing.
Do you like going shopping?
Yes, I like shopping.
Do you like coffee or tea?
I like coffee.
Do you like water or juice?
I like juice.
Do you like chocolate or candy?
I like chocolate.
Do you like movies at home or in the theater?
I like movies in the theater.
Do you like breakfast or dinner more?
I like breakfast.
Do you like dogs or birds?
I like birds.
Do you like walking in the park?
Yes, I like it.
Do you like watching TV or playing games?
I like both.
Do you like camping?
Yes, I like camping.
Do you like the mountains?
Yes, I love mountains.
Do you like beaches or forests?
I like beaches.
Do you like morning or night?
I like night.
Do you like reading or writing?
I like reading.
Do you like cats or fish?
I like cats.
Do you like cold drinks?
Yes, I like cold drinks.
Do you like hot drinks?
Yes, I like hot drinks too.
Do you like fast food?
Yes, sometimes.
Do you like vegetables or fruits more?
I like fruits more.
Do you like working or studying?
I like studying.
Do you like calling friends or texting?
I like texting.
Do you like beaches or pools?
I like beaches.
Do you like spring or autumn?
I like spring.
Do you like reading books in bed?
Yes, I like it.
Do you like walking at night?
Yes, sometimes.
Do you like learning English?
Yes, I love learning English.
Do you like to sleep early or late?
I like to sleep early.
Do you like going to parties?
Yes, sometimes.
Do you like visiting new places?
Yes, I love it.
Do you like playing outside?
Yes, I like it.
Do you like sitting at home?
Yes, sometimes.
Do you like hot weather or cold weather?
I like hot weather.
Do you like summer holidays?
Yes, I love summer holidays.
Do you like to help your parents?
Yes, I help them.